Hey guys, in this video I'm going to do something purely cosmetic. The clear coat was starting to peel off the wheel center caps, so I'm going to repaint them. Also, I'm going to rebadge them to look like factory wheels. Like the saying goes, a paint job is only as good as the prep work. So I thoroughly cleaned the center caps. I also wanted the emblems to be nice and clean so the new badges will stick to them. Then I wet sanded the painted areas to remove the peeling clear coat. This is a tedious process, and I had to be careful not to scratch the non-painted areas. I had to wet sand the center caps 3 times to get the desired results. That's probably because I used 1500 grit sandpaper. With 800 or 1000 grit, it would have been faster. But that's what I had on hand, and I didn't feel like running to the store. After the wet sanding was finished, I washed the center caps again. Then I dried them off and started applying masking tape. This process is just as tedious as the wet sanding, but if you want a good result, you have to get this right. I used blue painter's tape because it peels off easy and it doesn't leave a sticky residue. I applied 2 coats of satin black and 2 coats of clear gloss. I used Rust-Oleum because that's what I had on hand. I'm sure other brands of paint would work just as well. The fresh paint looks much better, but there's one more thing to do. I bought some VW badges on Amazon. The emblems on my wheels are 65mm diameter, so I bought 65mm badges. They're curved on the front and the back so they can fit on top of the existing emblems. I can just peel and stick, but I need to be careful to get them perfectly centered. That looks nice. Let's see what they look like on the car.